Now we can tell based on these stats that they will be doing an average of over $200 per day. And what I'm going to do in this tutorial is show you exactly how these guys are making money on YouTube. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with YouTube without actually going and filming your own videos and without showing your face. So you can be completely anonymous with this particular method. And what I'm going to do in this video is show you everything step by step in a few simple steps. So make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss any critical information. But this is a very simple strategy and it's very easy to understand in this very simple step-by-step tutorial. Now, what can you expect from this tutorial? I'm going to show you a quick and easy guide showing you everything you need to know within the next 15 minutes. We try to keep my videos as short as possible, but fit all the information that you need inside those videos because I know time is valuable. Now, remember, guys, my videos are for educational purposes only. I do these videos to show you what's working for others online, and there is no guarantee that you'll receive the same results, and there is no course being sold in this video. This is completely free information that you can go and watch right now. And I bring out free videos every single week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into this tutorial and I'll show you how to make money online with YouTube without actually recording any videos yourself or showing your face. All right, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this works. Then I'm going to show you how you can do this stuff yourself for free. So if we put in relaxing music right here, you'll see that there's some videos with obviously relaxing music. And if we click on some of these videos, you'll see that these have really nice relaxing music. And some of them have these videos. And if we go back here, this one up here has, I think, images. So you have these nice images panning across. Now, these people actually make a lot of money. And the reason I know this is because we can actually dig into the stats and see how much money they're making. So for example, this one is called the Yellow Brick Cinema. And this is a massive channel that goes and does music and they get paid to do it. Now, they use images and they use music, and you can actually do the exact same thing as well. Now, what we can do is we can actually go to a website called Social Blade and we can see how many views they're getting per day and kind of how much money they're making. Now, the money they're making varies. So sometimes, now this isn't actually very accurate. It's usually a lot more. Think of like 2 or 3 times more this based on my own stats. But as we can see, they're making around about $170, $140, $300 a day minimum, $180 minimum, $125 minimum. But I would say the average they're making is probably between this amount, probably even higher. Okay, because these guys are getting a lot of views. If you actually take the lowest CPM, so if you take like an average CPM, which is cost per 1,000 impressions, earnings per 1,000 impressions, let's just say 500,000. So we would go and do 1 times 500. That's $500, right? That they're probably making minimum every single day. So we know that these channels are making money. You might be thinking, well, how can I do that? How can I make money doing this? We can use something called Creative Commons, and we can use content that is not actually ours. Now, a lot of people think you can't make money with Creative Commons, but you can. So if we go to YouTube's own stat page, you can monetize royalty-free or Creative Commons content when the license agreement grants you rights to use it commercially. Sometimes rights owners require you to credit the creator, etc. Now, what we're going to be doing in this video is using a platform called Pexels, where you can actually get free royalty-free images and videos, and I will show you an example of what I mean. Is we can go and put in something like waterfalls, for example, and it's going to show us waterfall photos that we could use, or we could actually click on videos over here, and we're going to get tons of waterfall videos that we can use. Now, this refers to all sorts of things: rainfall, waves on beaches, nature in general, forests, water, rivers, mountains. And what you can do is you can click on these videos or the pictures and you can see if you can actually use this on YouTube to monetize. So I've clicked on one right here, and if we click here, it says free to use CC0. So this license basically tells you that this particular content can be used with Creative Commons. So it has a little thing down here. Some of them won't and some of them do, so just make sure it does. And then you can actually go and use it for Creative Commons. And if we go more info, you can also get some more information about this particular video as well. So now let's jump into how you can actually get started. And before we do that, I just want to show you a smaller channel so you can see that this actually works for smaller channels as well. Because a lot of people are always like, oh, well, the examples you show us are channels that have been around for a long time. That's why they're big. But you need to remember that everybody starts at 0 subscribers. And even if you are a small channel, it takes time to build it up. You can do this as well and potentially make money. So how do you get started with this? Let me explain. The first thing you want to do is go and create a YouTube channel based around the niche. in this niche, we're talking about relaxing meditation type of music. There is a tutorial that you can go and find online on the YouTube help section, and it takes you through every single step you need to do to create a YouTube channel, so you can go and do that if you like. Now, once you've actually created your YouTube channel, you will have access to the YouTube auto library. And in this library, you can use royalty-free music that you can use in these videos. So once you sign up, you can go and find this. You can Google this if you like, and it'll take you straight to this page. Now, you're also going to need to download a video editing software. This one is called OpenShot. It's completely free. You can go and get this. Just put an OpenShot video editor into Google. Now we need to go and create some content. Now what I'm going to do in this video is use this person's examples because they're really, really good. So if we go look at this one right here, I'm going to turn it down a bit because it's quite loud. You can see they've used waterfall videos, and you can literally get these from this website, okay? And they've just put music in there. Cool, for 6 hours. Now, you don't have to create a 6-hour video, but I guess if you do, you're probably going to get more views because of watch time. So now let's jump into how you can go and create this type of stuff. What I recommend you do is, first of all, before you create the video, is you need to go and get kind of like video ideas. What you want to do is you want to go to Google Keyword Planner. You can type it into Google, click on Google Keyword Planner. You need to have a Google account, and it's going to take you to this page, and you can put in things like relaxing, and it's going to show you what's popular on Google. And Google and YouTube, essentially the same thing. They are owned by the same company. Whatever people search on Google, they usually search on YouTube as well. And I think you can actually choose YouTube in here. So if you go search partners, actually, it should include YouTube as well. So let's go. You can do like relaxing music, meditation music, breathing exercise, sleep music, calming music, spa music, smooth music. So this just gives you ideas of what's getting heavily searched on the Google platforms right now. So Google, YouTube, and other search partners. Zen music, massage music, music for sleeping, music for stress. So you can... The reason you want to do this is because all the music, the video is going to be the same, right? It's waterfalls with music. But later on, when you upload it, you can use these ideas to create your title. So now let's go ahead and get started. What you want to do first is you want to go and download a bunch of these here. And I'm going to do that right now, and then we're going to come back. All right, guys, now remember, you can use a free software called OpenShot Video Editor where you can actually edit the video. Now, once you download the videos, make sure you go and get yourself some royalty-free music that you can use. Now, what I did is I put in the genre of ambient, so nice ambient music, and I've downloaded one called Drifting at 432 Hertz. Now, there's lots of different ones that you can download. So you've got the calm ones, bright ones, happy ones. Those are kind of like the ones you want to do. But just go through and you can click on these and you can actually play them. Like this is a nice calm one. Got some birds in there, things like that, right? So just go and pick a nice audio track that you can use that kind of matches your images or your videos. Now, once you've done that, what I've done is I've actually dragged in my videos. So I've just dragged them in from my desktop. Right now, you are going to need a lot of clips to get a long video, or you can just keep putting in the same clips over and over again, because people usually aren't looking at the image or video when it's actually playing. They're usually just listening to the music. So it doesn't entirely matter what you put in the video. Most people are just going to be listening to it. So if I click play, you can see this waterfall right here. There's no sound. Now keep in mind, some of the clips will actually have sounds when you download them from that website. So you probably don't want to use those clips because you're going to want to put in your own audio from the audio library, because you're going to get a big long clip. So I'm going to drag in the audio here, the audio track, and now look at this. Hopefully you can hear that. It now goes with the image. It sounds good. It looks good. And essentially this is ready for me to upload to YouTube, depending on how long you actually have it. Okay. So this is really, really nice. It works really, really well. And then you can see it over here, it changes. But once you've actually done this, create like a 10-minute clip minimum. Most people do like hours and hours and hours, and you can easily create those by putting in 10 minutes worth of content and then copy and pasting until you get to an hour if you like. Okay, so now you want to export this and now you're ready to upload it to YouTube, and I'll show you how to do that right now. All right, so now we're ready to upload this to YouTube, but we need to do a little bit of research before we do that, and that is to see what type of titles other people are doing for a specific keyword. So what you want to do is you just want to go and put in a keyword like relaxing music, meditation music, and just scroll down and see what type of titles other people are doing. This is quite important because this is what's working for that particular keyword. But what you can do is you can also mix and match keywords from the Google keyword planner as well, just like this guy does here. So you'll see that he puts in stuff like beautiful music, relaxing music, study music, stress relief, sleep music. These are keywords that people are going to be searching, okay? So what you want to do is you want to upload your content to have your YouTube channel and upload your content. This isn't actually the video that I exported, but we'll use this one anyway because we're not going to actually upload it to YouTube. And you want to go and put in your title. So I'm going to put in something like relaxing music because that's my main keyword. And then I'm going to do something like, so I'm going to put relaxing music, then I'm going to put sleep music. So I'm going to go to here and I'm basically just take some ideas. So deep sleep music, breathing. Actually, you know what we'll do? We'll just pick some random ones from here because that's what I do when I upload stuff. So deep sleep music, breathing music, and then we'll do something like stress music. People might be stressed. And then we'll put in one more because I like to go to about 80 characters, maybe 70 to 80. Calming music, okay? This should be enough. Perfect. And calming music. Now you want to do a description. So if we look inside this guy's video, he has a description of all the keywords, okay? It's a bunch of keywords. Now, I'm not going to go and do this right now because I'm trying to keep this video as short as possible so you know exactly what to do quick as possible, and then you can go and try to do this. But you just want to go and do a description with your keywords in it as well. Now, I'm not going to go put the description, like I said, because I want to keep this video short. But what you can actually do is I have a free YouTube channel course where I take you through everything you need to know about uploading and optimizing videos. It's 48 minutes long. I will leave a link in the description. It takes you through everything that you need to know about uploading videos to YouTube and optimizing them. So I'm not going to talk about optimizing the video right now, but what I will talk about is how to go and create a thumbnail. What you want to do is you want to go to a website called canva.com and go YouTube thumbnails, and then click on a random thumbnail, okay? It's not really gonna matter what one you do. I'm gonna customize this template. And what I can actually do is I'm gonna delete all of this content because it doesn't really matter to me right now. And what I'm gonna do is because most of these other videos just have like you see here, this is the thumbnail, just has an image of a waterfall. So go back to that website, pexels.com. It's actually down for me right now, but go to pexels.com, and then all you want to do is you want to drag the image onto here, and it should load up for us, and then we can spread it out, and away we go. We now have a thumbnail that we can upload, and I can go and download this right now. Then once it's downloaded, I can go to here, and I can use it as a thumbnail. Now, the reason you want to try and do a thumbnail upload one, because you can customize it and change the colors if you like, or you could just use a thumbnail from the video if you like. It's really up to you. But I would recommend you do one like I just showed you, because then you can customize the colors and customize it however you like. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is click next, and you need to go through the steps to upload the video. Now, you won't be able to monetize it straight away. You need, I think, 4,000 watch time and 1,000 subscribers, but it doesn't actually take long to get that done once you start to get traction. But you just go next, and you just keep going along, and you won't have the monetize option yet, and then you go and upload your video. But remember, guys, I will leave a free course below on how to go and upload YouTube videos and optimize them, so check them out below. But this is how you can make money with YouTube by uploading these YouTube videos and uploading content that you don't actually have to create. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you on one of the videos on the right, and the free course is below.